Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. I have another vehicle we're getting ready to put up for sale, so I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2013 Chevy Equinox LT trim package. It has a 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine. This is a front-wheel drive car, black cloth interior. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around. We do feel we have this price at a very fair price on this, so let's go ahead and walk around here. It appears that the tires have plenty of tread on them. You can see it does have tinted windows. Continue to walk around here on the back. It does have a backup camera, which is right above the license plate, and let me show you where the camera lens is, right there. And it's got a button underneath it here. You push out. Now there are a couple areas I do want to point out on the body. You get here where you can see that. You can see it is bubbled up. Some of that has broken off. You do have a bad area that's right here. And there are a few scuffs on this side. This is how we have it priced accordingly. So just to show you what that is, we get right here and you can see a scratch right here on the rear quarter. And it goes up through the passenger door. This is all on the driver's side, and you do have a scratch right there and some scuff marks. So I did want to point that out to you. Now on your side view mirrors, they are heated, and I hope that you can possibly see the emblem right there, but you do have heated mirrors on the car. So let's take a look on the inside. Okay, here we are in the back. Show you do have white collared stitching within the black. These are cloth seats. Get up here, show you the headliner. No rips or tears in that. You do have black collared panels on your doors. So let's go ahead and continue up front. One other scratch I wanted to point out, you do have one right underneath of your handle. And once again, this is on your front door. Okay, here we are looking in the front. You do have power seat for the driver's seat. We will go ahead and hop in here and I'll show you what everything looks like. Show you your door panel with your window and lock controls. So let's go ahead and get inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. I got the car started. I want to start over here, show you the instrument cluster. And as of now, the mileage on this is 115,748 miles. So we back away. You do have controls here on the left side of your wheel. I'll try to shade that sun here if I can. But this is for your cruise control. And then we go over here. It does have Bluetooth connectivity, so it will connect to your smartphone. That way you can make and receive calls and adjust your volume on your stereo up and down. Now we go over here and show you the LCD center. Now this does have the ability to connect to XM or Sirius XM radio. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop it down in reverse. Right there you can see the rear view camera engaged. Put it back in park and it goes back. Get down here, you can see your climate control. You do have a storage area with a device in here to plug your electronics in. 2 cup holders, armrest. This does open up for storage, and you do have USB port auxiliary for your electronic devices. Very nice collared stitching on these seats. I have to admit, I do like that. Now here we are in the back. As I mentioned earlier, your seats do fold down, so if you need that, and there is a lot of leg room back here, ladies and gentlemen. But that's it. That is our 2013 Chevy Equinox LT trim package, 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Come up for a test drive, and we do have this priced accordingly, and we've got a lot of financing options available. So with that, I hope you have a great day.